In this lecture, we are going to talk about comments in Python. See, comments are used to explain coding statements. Comments are ignored by the compiler. Hence, they are not included in the bytecodes. Comments come in handy when others are reading your code. Not only others, but if you yourself are reading your code after a long period of time, the comments, they will be very helpful in making you understand what are the different locations of the program where you have what kind of logic you have applied. Basic objective of comments is to clarify the coding statements. Comments are also called remarks. Now, we will learn how do we use comments or remarks in Python. The first system is using hash symbol. If a statement is preceded with hash symbol, it becomes a comment line. Again, let me repeat this, that it will become a comment line. It means it will not be treated as part of your code, but rather it will be just part of the documentation. That means it will just explain a set of statements or a single statement, and it will not be executed. For example, I have written x is equal to 100, and in front of it I have written hash x is being assigned the value 100. Now what is this x is being assigned the value 100? It is a plain statement and it is not part of the actual code. So hence, because it is being preceded with hash symbol, it will be treated as a comment. Now in the next line, what I am writing is hash, then following statement prints value of x. Following statement prints value of x. It will not be becoming the part of the actual code because it is being preceded with hash symbol. It will be merely treated as a comment line. So this is the actual code. Print value of x is equal to something plus x, that will be printed. So we have seen hash symbol. Now we will see the next method of giving comments in Python, and that is using 3 times quotation marks. So 3 times quotation marks, they come in handy when you want to give comments to a block of code. If your requirement is to comment a block of code, that means multiple statements, you want to have multiple statements in your comments. In that case, you use 3 quotation marks in the beginning and in the end of that block. For example, roll no is equal to 101. I am taking this variable roll no, assigning it the value 101. Similarly, marks in English, assigning it the value 99, and marks in maths, assigning it the value 100. Now here, start from this 3 quotation marks. There are 3 statements and these 3 quotation marks are getting ended here. So this whole block will be treated as comments. They will not be part of your actual code. They will not be converted into bytecodes. So this is something in the above statement. I have assigned values into 3 variables, and in the following statement I will print their values. And other things, these are comment lines and will not be compiled into bytecodes. So this all these 3 statements will become, this block will become the comment lines, and they will not be part of the actual program. So next I have printed a roll number, marks in English and marks in maths. And this, you are familiar with this str because roll no and marks in English, marks in maths, all these 3 variables, they were of integer type. So they had to be converted into string using str.